Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an animated video using Canva. So Canva has become very ubiquitous. There is a lot you could do with Canva. But one of the things that really stands out with Canva is that you can use it to create animated videos. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to come to canva.com, come to my dashboard, and then click on videos. And it shows you different video layouts. I want to go with this first one, 1920 by 1080. And then it loads this screen. So it's going to load some elements here very shortly. What we want to do is that we need to decide what exactly it is we want. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I want to go to elements and I want to look for something called garden. I want to create an animated video of somebody in a garden, and I'm going to go to graphics. If you have the pro version of Canva, you can use all of these, but I'm using the free version. I can still demo this, but one thing is certain, I will not be able to download. So I can come here and filter by either static or animated. So I'm going to just come here, scroll down, and I want to look for those that are free. Something that is free, and I see this particular one is free, but it doesn't really give me the background. If you don't find what you're looking for, then you can go to this website, pixabay.com, and just search for something like forest. And then, instead of images here, let it be a vector. And so you are given these particular vectors. These ones are paid, but you have these other ones that are free. If I open this particular one, you can see this one can be used, and it gives us quite a number of other ones. This one too is free, but I want something which is going to give us the ability to put characters in it. So I think I'm just going to go with this particular one. I will download it here. You see it, or it's integrated with Canva. Canva owns this platform, so they can give you the ability to edit it here directly from here. So I'm going to download something that is a bit big, PNG 1920 by 984. I will download that, and it's downloaded. I'm just going to come to my Canva dashboard. I'll go to uploads, and I'm going to click and upload that file here. So that file is being uploaded here. If I click to add it here, so I'm just going to add it, and I'm going to drag this to resize this here. So what I want to do is I want to add another element, and I want to see man. And these are quite some men, but I want to filter it by animated. I want it to be something animated. So you can see all of these are paid. When you see this crown near it, it's a paid feature. But I see this particular one, and it's actually free. So I can use this person here, put him to be working on this particular area. You can see this man and this woman talking. And if you scroll down, you will see others. Now this one is also free, so I can add this to my design here. So I'm going to put it on top of here. Now, if I want this particular person, I will delete this one to move from here to here. I'm simply going to click on him. From here, I'm just going to click on animate, and it brings me to this particular section. And what I want to do is to click on create an animation. So it tells me hold shift whilst dragging the create straight lines. Whilst dragging to create straight lines. So I'm going to hold down shift on my computer, and I want to drag this guy onto even out of the the canvas. I'll bring this back here, and you see when I play this now, he's sort of moving. You can reduce the speed of this, let it be a little bit slower. So if I play this now, I'm going to bring this back. If I play this, and you see he's moving, and then I can add some text here. I'll just click to add a heading. I'll say John was moving. John was moving. It should be John was moving. Now I'm going to change this text to white, and then I could give it an effect of an outline, and I want the outline to be, let's say, green, as we see here. I'll just make it thick green, and I want it to be thicker. John was moving. So, and I could make this text, I could give it an animation, and it's going to slide in or feed in, or let's just say swipe. You could even use the typewriter. John was moving. And if I play that, you see, it says John was moving. You could say John was walking. I think I'll change that to walking. Walking. John was walking. And I could just duplicate this, but I'll just choose to create another page. And then I need another background. I'll say, let's just say city. Or we could say garden. Search for a vector about the garden. So I see this one here, but it's a premium template. I can't use that. It's a premium something. I can't use that. And what about this? I could open this in a new tab. I could even use this particular one. It's open in a new, I'll say in a new tab, So if I choose to use this particular one, I'll just download it, and then I'll come here, I'll upload it. Now this is uploaded. I just want to make this to fill this particular screen. I'm going to drag it to fill this screen, and then I'm going to bring it this way. I'll now come back to elements, and I'm going to select this particular guy. I don't know if there is a female element here that I can use. This one is not really going to give us what I'm looking for. So I'm going to put this particular one, and I'm going to add this one too. I'm going to add this one. So these two guys look like they are fighting. So if I duplicate these two, this particular one, I could duplicate it. Right off the bat, I see this particular one. I think I'll click and add this one here. And I'm just going to delete this particular one. And I'm going to see, and I'm going to add a text, which is going to say Peter and Paul. Peter and Paul were fighting. Peter and Paul were fighting. I will click, and I want to stretch this so that the text is on one line. And I will change the color of this text. So I'll drag this so that their legs are actually clashing together. So you see there is a clash of fire there. And then I'll change the color of this particular one. Let's see, to this green. And I'm going to give it an effect of outline. And I want to make it, the outline to be thicker, but I want the outline to be white. So I'll say Peter and Paul were fighting. And then I could add another. Let's say this particular one. I'll look for Jim here. Jim. And I'm also going to look for a graphic about Jim. A Jim graphic, if I can see one. I'll scroll. So I see this one. I'm just going to open it in the new tab. I can close this. And I want to download this. I will download that. And I'll come here and I'll upload it. Now, this is loaded. I'm going to add it to my design here. So I'm now going to go back to my elements and I want to use this person and see he's working out. This particular person, I think he's working out. And I'm going to put him in front of the gym. Maybe he decided not to enter the gym today. Or is there some other element I can use? All right, I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this particular one and see Brian is working out. I'll click on add heading. Brian is working out. So we can also change the text here to be white. So Brian is working out. And we can give this actually a background. We can give it an effect, go to effects and scroll down, you see background. So we'll give it a background, but we can change the color of the background. We can change the color of the background to be something, let's see, orange. And we can make it to be a bit transparent. We can make it to be a bit transparent. And we'll see Brian is working out. Now we can still give it an effect of outline, so that even though it's on the background, it will still have an outline. It appears when you add an outline, the background is taken off. So I'm going to give this a background color of an outline color of this. And at the same time, you can make this man to be hopping from place to place. So click on him, click on animate, come to create animation, and then hold down shift, and then just drag him to the right. So he's not just jumping on the same position, but he's actually jumping and moving. So you can see that. Now, if I should play this from the start, I'm going to drag this and play this from the start. You see, it says John is walking. And then right after that, you see Peter and Paul were fighting. I will animate these two. I will animate this. I want it to drop down. I want it to drop down. I think there is an effect for that. I want it to drop down. I'll go through this. Scriptbook, neon, Snoop. Okay, I'm going to use this stump. Then for this, I'm going to use, I could use something that rotate or flicker. Okay, pulse. I will use pulse. So if I play this now from the beginning, you see John is walking. I'll just fast forward this. John is walking. Peter and Paul were fighting. And then you see Brian is walking out. So in a nutshell, that is how to create animated videos with Canva. If you got any value out of this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.